In this lecture 4, we will discuss the data acquisition and import. In the last, we have discussed what is optimization. Means we have discussed about toolbox, that is optimization, requirement management interface, statistics, neural network, symbolic or the extended math, partial differential equation, PLS toolbox, mapping, and spline. Right now, we'll discuss about the data acquisition and import. So let us break the capabilities of this MATLAB. Data acquisition and import. Uh, Data acquisition and import. Uh, MATLAB provides the tools for the acquiring and importing the data from the various sources, including the sensors, instrument, files, and the databases. It includes functions and the toolboxes for interfacing with the hardware devices, such as data acquisition cards, cameras, and the sensors to acquire the real-time data. MATLAB's data acquisition and the import capabilities enable users to capture, pre-process, and analyze the data from diverse sources for the further processing analysis. Next one is the data acquisition. MATLAB Data Acquisition Toolbox offers a comprehensive set of the toolbox for acquiring, visualizing, and analyzing the data from the sensors, instruments, and the hardware devices. It provides the support from the common data acquisition hardware, including the National Instrument devices, USB devices, and serial devices. MATLAB data acquisition capabilities enables users to interface with the hardware, acquire analog and the digital signals, and performs the real-time data acquisition and logging task. Next one is the instrument control. MATLAB offers tools for controlling and communicating with the external instrument and the devices such as the oscilloscope, spectrum analyzer, and the robotic systems. It provides interface and the drivers for connecting to instruments via standard communication protocols including the GPIB, USB, Ethernet, and the serial interfaces. MATLAB instrument control capabilities enables users to automate instrument control, instrument control, perform measurements, and integrate instrument functionality in the MATLAB applications and the workflow. Next one, the Excel links. MATLAB provides functionality for the reading and writing the data to and from the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. It offers tools for importing the data from the Excel files, manipulating data in the MATLAB, and exporting results back to the Excel. MATLAB's Excel files link capabilities facilitate the data exchange between the MATLAB and the Excel, allowing users to strengthen of the both platform for data acquisition and the visualization. Next, the portable graph object. Portable graph object is also called the PGO. Is a MATLAB features that allows users to create and share the interactive graphs and the figures. PGO enables users to save the MATLAB figures and the standalone files that can be opened and viewed using the MATLAB's runtime without requiring the MATLAB license. PGO files retain the interactivity and functionality of the MATLAB's figure, making them suitable for sharing and disturbing the visualization with collaborators or the stakeholders who do not have MATLAB installed. In the next lecture, we'll discuss about the signal and the image processing. That is the signal processing, image processing, communications, frequency domain system identification, higher order spectral analysis, system identification, wavelet, filter design.